Yazi bengihleli emini ngixoxa nomunye wabangani bami and wangibuza umbuzo nje random ukuthi bafu ngoba iKaizer Chiefs ayenzi kahle ayiwini uyithandelani why uyithanda kangaka. Ngase ngambuza ngathi bafu akutshele mina mfowami ukuthi before singena ukuthi why ngiyithanda iKaizer liyini uthando ngokwakho nje ngongathi uyalichaza. And he was like I mfowami uthando is when you love something or someone. Ngathi kuloko nje kuphela yiko nje ungasho ukuthi uthando kuyiko. Wathi ngisho uyayithanda leyo nto uyamthanda leyo muntu. Ngathi okay. So ngibuza ukuthi kungani ngiyithanda iKaizer Chiefs. Wathi yebo. Ngase ngimphendula ngathi uthando bafu mina ngilazi ukuthi uleyini. Kodwa ngiyakholela ukuthi lo muzo uza ngaphakathi uma uthole umuntu noma into ehambisana nokuqonda nemizwa yakho. Wathi uchaza ukuthini ngathi ngichaza ukuthi yonke into umuntu ayithanda it is because emqondweni wakho khona lento eyenzayo ukuze uzizwe ujabule. Wathi uchaza ukuthini ngathi njengoba ufavor iOrlando Pirates uyithanda ngoba yenzani uthi hayi bafo idlala kamnandi iwina amacup. Ngathi exactly. So mina ngesikhathi ngiyikhetha iChiefs yayidlala kamnandi iwina amacup kodwa manje ayisawawina amacup and ayidlala kamnandi. And he was like awuyeke ngani pho ngathi umehluko phakathi komuntu ocabanga ngama feelings nomuntu ocabanga ngengqondo mkhulu because umuntu ocabanga ngama feelings are inconsistent angeke akenzise izinto eziqondile because uthando uma liphelile kusalana wadark salute ngathi ngakho ngitshela ukuthi love alone is not enough. What is important ukuthi ukwazi ukubekezela nokuqonda izimo abantu ababhekana nazo futhi nezinto osukubhekana nazo. And he was like how bafu wasujula kangaka uchazana ngathi bafu asiphume kwindaba zothando because la sikhuluma ngebhola kodwa ke sobuye sikhuluma. Wathi okay bafu nyakuzwa. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami uBonginkosi, ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. Cela ningakhohlwa ukulike and ukusubscribe to the channel if awukaka subscribe, but if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Danko. So now it is understood ukuthi kahle iKaizer Chiefs why are they stalling when it comes ukuthi bafire the co-coaches uCedric Kaze and uKhalil Ben Yusuf. And mawuthi uyayibheka lena it does make sense and kithi as ama fans ayihlali kahle because we think ukuthi they don't care about i-team ukuthi yenze kahle. But mawuthi uyayibheka the way isimo singakhona manje is understood ukuthi no angeke babaxoshe because if you remember very well ukuthi makafika ucoach uNazareth Nabi wacela uKaze noKhalil Ben Yusuf ukuthi baba ama assistant wabo including Lias Mzoki wabo goalkeeper coach no Machi Safi the strength and conditioning. So they all signed a 2-year deal with an option to extend. So it simply means ukuthi from 2024 2025 2026 their contracts are ending in June. So kuKaizer Chiefs now they see ukuthi no kahle it will be pointless ukuthi sicosha abantu already vele umsebenzi usuzophela because if there were chances ukuthi siba renewele bebazo renewela, but now that we see ukuthi the fans are fed up, why not ukuthi sibayeke until their contracts run out and then we'll decide from there ukuthi which coach can we appoint because mawuthi uthatha ukubheka vele sesikubani manje I think sesiku March, it's March, so kuselo April May bese ke ngoJune ama contract aphela. So they'd rather ukuthi let's keep these co-coaches sibabone ukuthi baphetheni and we must hope and believe ukuthi they will give us the result since we are still in search of a coach because we know very well ukuthi the fans are fed up with these co-coaches, but into abangayenza ukuthi at least to ease up the pressure from the fans and the frustrations and the anger is to make sure ukuthi at least bayawina ama games. Now it's no longer about playing good football, but it's all about ukuthi kutholakale lama results adingekayo so that Kaizer Chiefs can finish in a respectable position kuloko. So obviously that decision comes after they realize ukuthi angeke sobhadala abantu imali already sazi ukuthi umsebenzi uzophela, so uyobabhadela imali abangenza next. So let's not terminate the contract, but let's let it run up until it ends. So that includes Maji, Safi and Ilosi Mzoki. Unfortunately ukuthi owabo umsebenzi awukho engcupheni because bayashaya ispan. But manje into esemqondweni ukuthi we all know ukuthi makwenzeka a team look for a new coach. In the modern day and age, we understand ukuthi it is a trend ukuthi a coach comes with his own technical staff. So that simply means ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs nakanjani makuphela season they will release all 4 of those coaches, and then they will allow ukuthi whoever is going to take the job ukuthi as a technical staff yakhe, and then baqale lapho ukwenza izinto ukuthi bahlanganise team, build a team ezokwazi ukucompete for next season, bazokwazi ukuthi bayena ku pre-season, yabo. But now Tina, obvious as we are piling the pressure on the management because we are fed up. But I think now let's understand ukuthi no, kahle nabo bayafuna ukubahambisa but bavaleleke ekhoneni because it's pointless ukuthi uchithe imali ongenayo vele. What's the use ukuthi uterminate contract yomuntu vele umsebenzi sozophela? So they see ukuthi okay, instead let's try ukuthi siloku sibapush up until their contract ends, and then we'll see whom will we appoint as the new head coach of iKaizer Chiefs. Sebazobheka kuma candidates. So Makhosi, I think isikhathi ukuthi kumele sidlulise indaba zama coaches and now focus on the team ukuthi yoyenza njani up until isizini iphele. Yeah, kusazoba khona vele ama hiccups along the way, isazodliwa iChiefs, isazodrawa, kuzoba nama games ezowawin. But I think manje kumele sibheke iside la iKaizer Chiefs singazibhekeli thina. Yeah, ama fans Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns bazoloku bayifakile nje ipressure. So into kumele sifake emqondweni ukuthi let's not let them get through our heads, because yiyo lento ezosenza ukuthi siforce izinto zenzeke ngendlela yethu ziphinde futhi zingasahamba ngalendlela, because i decision abazoyithatha manje will be an act of desperation. Just imagine they go all the way bawa terminate ama contract of these coaches, and then kwenzeke ukuthi le coach simfunayo olozobamba nayo izinto zingahambi ngendlela yothi one after lapho. So the best thing ukuthi asale sibayeka bayiqeda season, and then we'll take it from there, because it is important to understand, because we might be the fans and we might want what is best for the club, but it doesn't mean that we are correct all the time. Because even as Asho Rob Marau, even us our fans, we do contribute to Chiefs with things, because basitshela ngokuba patient, of which nami ngike ngayisho lento, but I was best ukuthi ungasitsheli ngepatience, because 10 years without a trophy, yes it is understood ukuthi vele ipatience iyaphela, but ezinye izinto kumele ukhumbule ukuthi kune decision engathathwa manje but is not for the immediate result. Ama result uzowabona in the long run. That's the thing ebuye isibulale. But enye into kumele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi this is business, akusiyinto ovele uyicabange bese uyalala uthi awu sleep on it bese kuseni uvuka udecide ukuthi abahambe. So now it's all about ukuthi sibone ukuthi the next 2 games wenzakalani. But for them to be fired, I don't think ukuthi into abangayenza ama coaches, into abangayenza i-management, because they know ukuthi it's pointless ukuthi singaterminate le contract. So let's be patient Makhosi. Into engayisho nje ukuthi asibe patient sibheke ukuthi iyozala ngomuni, bese ke will then decide ukuthi next season what will be the plans, what will be the target, and what are the strategies to tackle and meet the demands that will be there for the next season. Hopefully ukuthi we will finish in the top 8, because amathuba sesekhona ukuthi bangakwazi ukuthi babe ku top 3, because masingawin our next game siyakhuphuka sa number 3. So that's what is needed. Now it's all about ukuthi it's no longer about just focus on coaching, but let's focus with akulungiswe a mentality and instill a winning mentality to these players. Ukuthi asala senenzela ama fans khohlwana ama differences now nenwabonayo with the co-coaches, but fight for the badge at least that is respectable. Into nje engiyibonayo mina lena Makhosi. And then let's talk about indaba zama-contract. And for manje I think ukukhuluma ngama-contract ngaba nje into eba irrelevant because ama-contract kumele akhulunywe mase kuno coach owaziyo ukuthi sinzwele ngizoya kwi-season entsha ne-Kaizer Chiefs. These are the players I'm willing to keep. These are the players I'm willing to let go. But here I'm khuluma ngeplayer elifana noMduduzi Shabalala and uMfundo Vilakazi. Those are our youngsters, the cream of the crop. But okwamanje we see ukuthi izinto azibambeli kahle, and next season mayiphela, the season next of next season, ama-contract wabo ayaphela ama-contract. So uhleli ulapho, which decision do you think it is best? Ukuthi balonwe out before phela ama-contract ukuze kuzobonakala ukuthi this is what was hindering their growth at Chiefs, or can Kaizer Chiefs release them to go permanently? Because now ngifuna ukukhuluma particularly ngoMduduzi Shabalala. Umdoda, why you for me? Umduduzi Shabalala is one youngster I'd say ukuthi he didn't get time to grow. He was forced to grow, as I've explained in the previous video. Guti, there are players that are not allowed ukuthi bayikhulele ngendlela yabathi bajantshiswa istage, and lento la it catches up with them because ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iyabuya bese ke yak-affecta. Because I believe ukuthi i-growth kaMdu or die akusi growth ebekumele izenzakalele for yena voluntarily, but it is involuntary because he has no will, he has no say ukuthi hayi ithi ngingasijump le stage, but bavele wajantshiswa lezi ezinye stage ukuthi abe youngster, but wavele wathi qhu wafaka ekubeni ukuthi abe senior players, a senior player, because of what they understood ama-fans ukuthi he has been there for a long time. I think isizini yakhe yasifole, so i-tag yokuba youngster ayisamfanele. But ngifuna senze isibonelo with players like uMfukeng. Look at uMfukeng at Pirates, number 1. Umfukeng ufike ku-Pirates stable, whereby ukuthi there was no pressure kuye, but he was allowed to play his best football. Wadlala and a good thing ukuthi ukwazile ukuna ama-trophies for Orlando Pirates, and he did great. I assume ukuthi manje angasithola ne-status ukuthi uyi-legend ye-club amncane ngaka. But uMfukeng akuna stage ajantshiswe sona because he was allowed to be a youngster. And the lento le means ukuthi this season alone he is now showing ukuthi he has grown much to understand ukuthi I'm no longer a youngster, but now I'm an established player. So this is how I have to behave, decisions making, mele improve lana la. Uyayibona ukuthi lento ikhala, but ukumdo die ayikaze yafika lento. Since kwaba we wafika Chiefs, i-pressure isemahlomba akhe. He's expected to do miracles for the club while ama senior players are there. Amanye ama-players afika while they were youngsters, they were not afforded an opportunity ukuthi abe ama-youngsters, because amanye ama-players, let me make an example with Uthembi Nkosi-Lorch and Uthemba Mshishizwane. Both those two players were loaned to our teams whereby there was no pressure, so that they can try to revive themselves and establish themselves. Masebabuya ku Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates respectively, ukuthi bazi ukuthi no, I saw ukuthi la ngibuya khona kunje nanje, but la sengikhona manje umehluko lo nalo. So in order ukuthi mina ngizokwazi ukudlala kule team, ngizoba consistent, ngizenza sure ukuthi angisuki kule level engikuyo. This is what I must do in terms of thinking, in terms of decision making. But umdo die akakayitholi le opportunity. It's pressure, because ufike like Kaizer Chiefs ingenzi kahle, even namanje yenzi kahle. So the best thing I believe ukuthi naye, let them load him out. Let them loan him out, umdo die, and then naye uzothi maseka phuma kwi-comfort zone yakhe, he will realize ukuthi no, kahle la ngaphandle angeke bangincenge, because I'm not in an environment whereby I'm familiar with everything. Because good Chiefs was yonke into phuma na ku development. But if they let you go and fend for yourself, it gives you a sense of thinking with no, ziyabuya la ngaphandle. If I don't improve myself, it simply means that I won't have a career outside the Kaizer Chiefs. So it's either ngikhuphula ama-stokis because I know ukuthi kunzima. Aye ku-team whereby ukuthi he has to fight ukuthi abe ku-starting 11. That's what I believe ukuthi will force him to improve. Because already vele akusekho ukuthi usese youngster because i-pressure nama-responsibility and expectations waqhunywa kuyo nje wathi awahlale kuye. And now it becomes difficult because mawuthi uyabheka kuye namanye ama-youngsters yena he's the most hated angazi for what reason. So the best option I think ukuthi let them loan him out. And then makabuya if it doesn't show any signs of improvement, that's when they can decide ukuthi let's sell him. Because for now he's facing a lot of backlash for nothing. Angazi mina yini lengaka liyabangiswa yona umuntu odayi. One thing about him engiyibonile ukuthi umfana uyakwazi ukukhula ngomqondo and futhi uyafundiseka. Wathi introduce kuthiwa udlalela ama-sweet showboating. Wayeka ukudribula wadlala ibhola e-progressive, ibhola elikwazi ukuthi litholele i-Chiefs ama-goals. But because of the strikers and other forwards of i-Chiefs are wasteful, angeke ubonakala umsebenzi wakhe. Because for a player to score, a player needs an assist to score. So if ever umuntu akekho kusho ukuthi i-striker angeze wathola ama-goal. Besides lokho, i-work rate yakhe iyabonakala egroundini. It's just nje ukuthi lapho nalapho la ama-decision amshaya khona. But if ever singathatha lokho sikubeke, we can say ukuthi uMdu is not only a good player, he's a brilliant player, but usethimini engamvumeli ukuthi enze his uttermost best. Because every time he's thinking, what if ngenza lokhu kungaphumeleli? What if ngenza lokhu kungaphumeleli? What if ngenza lokhu kuyaphumelela? So umqondo wakhe uhlangahlangene every time akumele enze decision. Because the pressure is too much for him to bear, while there are senior players akumele ngabe bayamthwalela this pressure. And for uVilakazi okwakhe is better because yena he's not criticized because he's loved, because kunezinto azenzayo that seems to be difficult ukuthi azenze but uyazenza. But that doesn't mean ukuthi yena he's not supposed ukuthi acriticize. But into engiyibona ukuthi ngoVilakazi, it is because he's 2 years younger than uMdu and yakhe is understandable. Naye kuzofika isikhathi whereby ukuthi he will be forced to level up. And if iKaizer Chiefs it continues with the rate that it is doing things right now, it is impossible for these youngsters to improve. Because ake sibuze for number 1, kunini uMdu uNkosingiphile Ngcobo senatural? Kunini wafika enatural? Improvement uyibonaphi? Okwakhe ngingathiya ukuthi it doesn't play regular, that's why ngeke uyibona. But lokho it was an eye opener kuye ukuthi no, kahle kahle lana ngiyabona ukuthi if I want to do what is required, amathuba mancane ukuthi ngaphumelela outside. Because maybe it is because iChiefs is not playing the kind of football that allows him to shine. Because at some point before si blame ama players, even the club na mele sibheke ukuthi yenza kanjani izinto. How does the team play? Does it accommodate the way these players are playing? But one thing I know for a fact, as a player, you must always try to elevate yourself, because you don't know ukuthi if uqoshwa lo coach lona wena bosomjwayele lo zayo, you might end up not being the favorite player. Same with these 2 youngsters. Go hamba isikhathi and then they'll realize that no man, it was all hype and love. But in order for them to grow, kudingeka nje into eyodwa ukuthi akuthathwe ipressure ibekwe kwabanye abantu. Let the youngsters be youngsters, because you can easily protect them with okay, if ever sibona kunje noma sisingamdlalisi sibeka ama youngsters, ama senior players, but manje bona labo badlala better than ama senior players. So into ezoyithini leyo? Ibuyisela ukuthi what about the recruitment strategy of the squad, of the team, of the management? What are they doing in order to enhance how Kaizer Chiefs play? Yabona ukuthi ibuyishaye futhi lento le. Mina I don't think ukuthi it is youngsters with Chiefs are bad, but the team, it is bad. It is not an environment that will allow players to grow. Ayi, sekunjalo-ke. Sekuvele nje la Dumela Mantsompeni. Sizobonana kwivideo elandelayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Help me grow this channel. Danko. Ikhosi aliphele moya.